Hello and welcome to That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. And today I'm actually working from a recipe. And this is one of mine, and this is from years ago. What we're going to make is Amish Macaroni Salad. And what we've got to do is we first have to start off with our sauce. And our sauce is 2 cups of Miracle Whip. So we take... Not sure how to do this up here. We're going to take 2 cups of Miracle Whip. So there's 2 cups of Miracle Whip. And I tell you what, I have noticed for some reason, the Amish seem to like everything sweet. All the recipes I've seen that the Amish have, everything is sweet. I don't understand. But we're going to make it anyway. So now we're calling for a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And I'm just going to use my full cup here and measure out 1/4. Put that in there. And then we need 3/4 of a cup of sugar. I've got that. See, I told you that I like it sweet. Mix that up a little bit. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. So 1 tablespoon and a little bit because it's going to stick in the bottom of it. And 2 tablespoons. Let me use this bowl as a catch-all because I want to get in here with a whisk and whisk this up. So there is our sauce. Let's take and just do a pinch of salt, just because we can. I'd rather salt the sauce than the macaroni. So we'll put a little bit of salt. Recipe calls for a teaspoon. I'm going a little light on that, because after all, it is my recipe. So now we're going to take this, we're going to set that to the side, and I'm going to take this, and this, and move it off out of our way. And what I have here now is 1 pound of macaroni, and it's still warm. And you want it warm. So to that, we're going to add 1/2 cup of chopped bell pepper and 1/2 cup of chopped onion, and 1/4 cup of chopped celery, 1/2 cup of chopped carrots, and if you know your French cooking, we just added mirepoix, but mix that up a little bit. Now, the recipe calls for 6 boiled eggs. I kind of like the boiled eggs. So what I'm going to do, have you got one of these? I love this thing. Take your egg, put it in there, boom, sliced egg. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so there's 6 eggs in there. Let's mix that up again. Break the eggs up as we're doing it because we want there to be pieces of egg in our macaroni salad. All right. Now, we take our sauce. Remember, this is still warm. And this helps the macaroni absorb the sauce and the flavors of the vegetables and everything to meld. This is going to go in the fridge, most likely overnight. I'm making this for a picnic tomorrow. Doesn't mean we can't try it though, right? So now I'm going to mix this up one more time. And since the macaroni is warm, right now it looks a little loose. But as it cools, the macaroni is going to take that sauce, and it's going to suck that stuff right in there, and it's going to make that macaroni just as tasty as you would. Oh, this beats the store-bought hands down. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put just a little bit in this bowl. I'll explain what that's for in just a minute. I'm going to take this and this and this, and I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Okay, I'm back, and I've got a serving bowl. I'm going to take this, now that we're all mixed, and put this in the serving bowl gently, gently. And smooth it off on top. Spread that around just a little bit. Put that right there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this egg slicer again, and this time we're not going to be as fast this time. We're going to take that egg slicer and we're going to cut it like that and catch them, because now I want to use these as a garnish. I'm going to go around the outside just like that. And basically I just want to get eggs rung around it. And you're going to get some that don't have anything. It's all there. Now, take our paprika. I like the large economy size. And we're going to sprinkle that around a little bit. Just for looks. It really doesn't taste like anything. And there we have it. Our Amish Macaroni Salad. So I've gone all that work. Let's taste it and see what it's like. See if it's like I remember. It's been a while. Yes, it is. Very sweet. I'm sure once the macaroni has a chance to cool and suck those sauces in, it'll taste even better. But that will definitely be good. So this was another episode of That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. And that was the Amish Macaroni Salad. If y'all like this episode, please like and subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you get a notification every time I decide to notify you about a video coming out. We'll see you next time. Bye.